Welcome to my channel Quiet Rich. Turn on bell icon, like, share.
When we think of luxury, we often imagine perfection. Smooth leather, flawless stitching, and products that look like they were created by machines. But here's the truth, the real beauty of luxury craftsmanship isn't perfection, it's imperfection. In today's video, we'll explore why the world's most prestigious brands embrace small flaws, why handmade artistry matters more than factory precision, and how imperfection itself has become the ultimate mark of authenticity and luxury. Stay with me, because this journey will completely change the way you see high-end fashion, watches, and artisanal products. For centuries, luxury was tied to exclusivity, perfect tailoring, seamless finishes, and flawless designs. But the truth is, perfection is not human. Machines can make identical pieces with no flaws. Yet, when you walk into a luxury boutique, you're not paying for a factory product, you are paying for the human hand behind the creation. Luxury houses like Hermes, Patek Philippe, and Bottega Veneta rely on master artisans, not machines. These craftspeople dedicate years, even decades, to perfect their techniques. And in their work, a hand stitch may vary slightly, a leather edge might carry unique textures, and a jewel may be set in a way that shows the touch of a human hand. Far from flaws, these tiny imperfections are what make each piece truly one of a kind. Think about this, if you see two handbags, one made by a factory machine and another handcrafted by an artisan, which one feels alive? The handmade one carries stories, the breath of the craftsman, the slight irregularities that prove it wasn't mass-produced. In luxury, authenticity matters more than flawlessness. Consumers today crave individuality. They don't want what everyone else has, they want something rare, something that tells a story. This is why imperfections are celebrated. They become proof that a luxury item is authentic, real, and touched by human artistry. It's the same reason a diamond with a unique inclusion can still be more valuable than a flawless synthetic stone. The imperfection makes it natural, genuine, and impossible to replicate. Luxury craftsmanship often borrows from the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, the idea that beauty lies in imperfection and transience. In Japan, a cracked tea bowl that's been repaired with gold is considered more beautiful than a flawless one. This mindset has influenced luxury design worldwide. From hand-painted ceramics to stitched leather goods, artisans know that perfection is sterile, but imperfection carries soul. When a luxury craftsman makes something, they don't aim for identical replication. They aim for artistry. And artistry, by its nature, can't be flawless. It's meant to feel alive, raw, and deeply human. Let's look at real-world examples. Hermes Birkin bags each is handmade by a single artisan. No two are alike. The stitching may vary slightly, and that's exactly why collectors pay tens of thousands for them. Rolex watches, even though they are precision instruments, small variations in patina, aging, or hand-applied details make vintage Rolexes worth millions. Italian leather shoes, brands like Berti or Santoni embrace the hand-painted patina process. Every pair looks slightly different, never duplicated. Japanese kintsugi pottery, cracks are repaired with gold, making the flower the highlight. Luxury fashion houses have drawn inspiration from this for clothing, jewelry, and accessories. In each case, imperfection is what transforms a product from an item into a piece of art. In today's world, where machines and AI can replicate almost anything, consumers crave what technology cannot create: soul. A perfect, factory-made item might look flawless, but it has no story, no identity. Meanwhile, a handcrafted object carries the signature of the maker. This is why more luxury buyers in 2025 are gravitating towards slow fashion, limited edition collections, and bespoke tailoring. They want items that nobody else has, pieces that celebrate individuality, even if that means visible imperfections. The psychology behind this is powerful. Owning something unique makes the buyer feel unique. And in the luxury world, exclusivity is everything. Luxury is emotional, it's not about buying a product, it's about buying a feeling. And imperfections play a big role in creating that feeling. When you hold a handmade leather bag, you don't just feel the material, you feel the time, care, and expertise invested by the artisan. You sense the tradition passed down through generations. Imperfections act as reminders of humanity. They show that real people, not machines, created something for you. And that human touch creates a stronger emotional bond than any flawless, machine-made item ever could. Looking ahead, imperfection will play an even bigger role in luxury. With the rise of AI-generated products and robotic manufacturing, flawless items will become common, and therefore less valuable. But what machines cannot replicate is the beauty of irregularity. The hand-painted brushstroke, the uneven stitch, the unique pattern in leather or stone. Luxury brands are already leaning into this. Expect to see more collaborations with artisans, more emphasis on limited handmade collections, and more storytelling around the beauty of imperfection. In 2025 and beyond, owning something imperfect won't feel like settling, it will feel like owning art. So, the next time you see a luxury product with tiny variations, don't think of it as a flaw, think of it as proof of authenticity. Perfection may impress, but imperfection connects. And that connection, that sense of individuality, is the true essence of luxury. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury craftsmanship, hit the like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this with someone who loves fashion and artistry. Remember, in luxury, imperfection is not weakness, it's beauty.
Thanks for watching video.